Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to add audio tracks in CapCut. So open CapCut and open your project or create a new project. Now once loaded, import your files. So click on import and click on open. Next, drag your video into the timeline just like so. Next, what you can do is to click audio from the left menu. So here, click on audio. So choose one of these options. You have music. So music, use CapCut's built-in songs. So down here you have sound effects. So these add effects. And right here you have yours. So record your voice and import. So pull audio from a video. So you can extract audio in here. So I'm going to click on music and choose a music from here. So you have a lot of options in here. So take note, if you see the diamond icon in here, that means you can use that sound if you're on the, or if your plan is premium. So let's pick one in here. So click on it. So just click on this plus icon to add this to the track. Just like so, you can also drag it from the very beginning. Now to add another audio layer, simply drag a second audio file under the first one, just like that. So CapCut supports multiple audio tracks. You can also add another one, just like so. Now in here, you can adjust volume. So drag this line right here at the bottom to adjust the volume. And now at the top right, so here you can add fade in and fade out. So just adjust the slider just like that. Next, you can also split or trim audio. So click on the audio and click on this split icon at the top, just like that. You can also split the second layer, just like so, and remove the unwanted part, just like that. So tips for multiple audio tracks: keep music on one track. You can put voiceovers on another. Use a third track for sound effects. And lower background music volume so voices stay clear. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching.